Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Over the past, since Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and yesterday, Monday, I took on a project redoing our creek on the front of the property and adding a culvert in. And wanted to take you along on that journey. So I hope you enjoy it. Tons of fill dirt, picking up 5 tons of fill dirt. See what it can do. That loader has a scale built into the bucket. When he raises it up like that, it weighs it. Dump a little out, try to get it down to 5 tons. And reweigh it. Must be good. Hey guys, I want to show you what I got done today. This is day 3.5, I guess. But redoing the creek and adding the culvert. Let me show you. So that's what I got so far on the back side of this is downstream of the culvert. And I got to get some more of that big riprap. You can't really tell it by looking, but there's riprap all in that mud that I coated the sides with. That's what I dug out. I reused it. And I had another pile sitting over here for the last 2 years. And that's what all this clean riprap is. But put these big stones over the top of the culvert and alongside to keep all that from washing out. Once I really need to get some rocks in right there and build that up some more right there. But I got it blocked off pretty good. I think if it does rain before I can do it, I think it'll be all right. But here's the little land bridge. That's gonna make things so much better when we go to cut the grass on this side of the creek. Now, we have our main driveway culvert right there. You'll see it in a minute. But since we moved in here, I wanted to get this done. Number one, for the lawnmower, but number two, in case something was to happen to that one, we'd have backup to get to our house. All right. So this is upstream of the culvert. Got a big rock down there in the center and rocked all around it to try to get to keep erosion from happening. And that wall right there might need to be cut back a little bit more so I can get rock on it. Should have angled it more when I had the machine, but you know, I don't do that for a living, and I think I did pretty good with what I had. Today went and got all this river rock. I got this bisqueen mainly to keep all the dirt that's underneath of it from eroding. When we do get a rain, hopefully we won't have a big rain event and it'll be okay. So gotta go get all this river rock that you're looking at right here, that was 2 skid steer buckets at a local place, and they called it pond mix. That's what they called it. It has some pretty big stuff, but it has some smaller stuff too. All in all, I think once I get it spread out, I think it'll handle water flow pretty good, slow it down, keep dirt in the place where it needs to be. And I probably will need 2 to 4 more to get all this covered up. And no, I'm not gonna leave the plastic hanging out. I'm gonna rock ever how far I decide to up on the plastic. And then I'm gonna take my propane torch and melt it back where you can't see it. And that's how I'm gonna handle that. This is the culvert. And it's been here. This house was built in 2002, I believe. So it's been here a minute. And it's been dry for the last few weeks. But I have seen, in big rain events, I have seen it get, you know, it'll be up to this 3rd timber here, this cross tie, and it'll be as tall as the banks, really, all the way down. It is like a raging river when we have a real good rain. But anyway, this is what I got, day 3.5, Monday evening. Rented the machine on Friday, got it home, worked a little Friday afternoon, all day Saturday, all day Sunday, and the second half of today. So maybe 3 days total, maybe a little more. It feels like a lot more. I'm dog tired. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I want you to know I'm not a professional excavator operator. Actually, it's my third time ever renting and running one. So I feel like I did pretty good with it. But I still have a lot of rocks to put down in there, and that'll come in future videos. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.